Hello, my name's Cam and welcome to Wrexham Volkswagen. Today I'll be showing you around this used Audi Q5 S-Line edition. This Audi features a 2-litre 40 TDI Quattro engine with an automatic transmission. The front has these enormous LED headlights with dynamic indicators, and the side mirrors will fold when the car is locked. This car stands on 19-inch alloy wheels with the 5-arm rotor design in graphite grey with a gloss-toned finish. The boot capacity of this Q5 is a modest 520 litres. There are additional netted storage compartments on either side for things you don't want rolling around in the boot, and there is the inclusion of a retractable parcel shelf. And the boot can be automatically closed with a press of the button. Making our way into the back of the car, we see the blacked out roof, which matches the two-tone Napa leather and microfiber Dynamica leather seats. In the centre there is the foldable leather armrest for rear passengers to enjoy, and every seat is also fitted with ISOFIX points. There is also a centre console with 2 USB ports and its own climate control. Entering the front of this Q5, we are met with this beautiful and robust dashboard. We then see the continuation of the Napa leather and microfiber Dynamica seats with the S-Line logo embroidered onto them. There is also additional side support and electronic controls for the seats themselves. Taking a look at the beautiful leather S-Line steering wheel, we see on the left the controls for the secondary screen, as well as the skip and rewind button for music, and on the right we have the more voice-comm related buttons. The secondary screen itself has many different display options, including telephone, satellite navigation for longer drives, and digital dials. The main Audi MMI infotainment screen has the navigation system as well as the telephone function and radio, which has FM and DAB, as well as regular connected Bluetooth devices. By popping the automatic transition into reverse, we will get a look at the rear-facing parking cameras, allowing for perfect access and manoeuvrability while parking this car. Below the infotainment screen we see the manually controlled climate control dials, as well as these heated seat buttons to the right and left of them. We then see a storage compartment, a USB port, and another storage compartment underneath the piano gloss black console. Taking a look at the automatic transition gear shifter, we see that it is the perfect size for a hand to rest on, allowing for easy motion and an all-round comfortable feel while in use. In front of the armrest we do see a sliding cover for the dual set of cup holders found in this vehicle, and underneath the leather covered armrest we do indeed find a storage pocket with another USB port. I'd like to thank you for taking the time to watch this brief video on the Audi Q5 S-Line edition. For more information, please contact our sales team now.